Welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for September 2021. I invite you to take a few moments to get settled, to get quiet and still as we come together in the act of sacred prayer. Together we become present, focused, and intentional as we begin this time of prayer. We are present in the kingdom of divine ideas, focused on the goodness of God, our source. We intend to be immersed in and aligned with all that God is, in a consciousness of peace. We begin. Peace is mine as I still myself in spiritual silence. Peace is mine as I still myself in spiritual silence. Silence is our sanctuary, retreating from habitual thought and action. For the refreshment of silence, I am immersed in peace. I am peace. Peace calms my nerves, harmonizes my feelings, and opens my mind. I am peace in this moment of silence. The light of divine wisdom guides my every step. The light of divine wisdom guides my every step. Any question on my mind, any concern in my heart, I now direct to divine wisdom. Wisdom arises as an intelligent signal, and I recognize it as both an answer and as a sense of direction. God is wisdom. Therefore, I am wisdom, making wise decisions. Wisdom is my guide as I pray. Every thought of God life strengthens and heals me. Every thought of God life strengthens and heals us. Present in my body temple, I focus on the truth of divine life. I choose thoughts aligned with life, vitality, vigor, flow, health, and wholeness. Every thought of truth strengthens my body systems and functions. Every thought of truth blesses and heals. I am one with divine life in this silent moment. I live expectantly, gratefully, abundantly. We live expectantly, gratefully, abundantly. I am present and fully aware of the bounty of blessings in my life. As I focus on all that is good and right, I exude gratitude. To any thought of lack I might have, I say, be present, be grateful. I am an overflowing well of gratitude in prayer. My thoughts, words, and actions contribute to a peaceful world. Our thoughts, words, and actions contribute to a peaceful world. Focused on the great truth of oneness. I think of all people as my brothers and sisters. My thoughts, words, and actions encourage and uplift others, I contribute my conviction of one God, one humanity, and one world in silent awe. As we conclude this session of prayer and return to the day's activities, we choose to sustain our awareness of truth. We will remain present, focused, and intentional as we brighten the world with the light of God, expressing as peace, life, love, and wisdom. Let us recite together the prayer of protection, including the I am statements that reflect God speaking in us and as us. The light of God surrounds us. I am light. The love of God enfolds us. I am love. The power of God protects us. I am power. The presence of God watches over us. I am presence. Wherever we are, God is. I am divine. And so it is. Amen.